Hello everyone and welcome back to another installment from our webinar series Straight from the Horse's Mouth. Your company needs to share its environmental performance with stakeholders and may need to report climate disclosures. Find out how ESB's BraveGen software makes it easy for Stride Property to understand and report on emissions from its asset portfolio. Join Sharyn Bramwell-Reweti, Safety and Sustainability Manager at Stride, to hear how the company measured its emissions, set a base year and target, and is tracking its performance in line with the approach of the Science Based Targets Initiative. Sharyn joins Dan Tomlinson, Head of Markets and Partnerships at ESB. Dan explains how ESB software manages carbon data and sustainability reporting. thinkstep-anz's Barbara Nebel hosts the webinar and will explain why understanding your sustainability metrics is good for your business. Here's a sneak preview.
So under the SBTI tool, there were quite a few different options that we could follow, and there's currently changes around the real estate area that we could have also undertaken. However, after working through the options and discussing it with ThinkStep, we landed on following the absolute carbon contraction approach for Scope 1 and 2, as we're a small to medium enterprise with less than 500 employees. The use of consultants to assist with developing our targets and creating the decarbonisation plans, along with the data and supporting evidence which gets uploaded into the system, provides a backup to the sustainability statements that we make each year and hopefully avoids us being accused of greenwashing, as the statements and information can all be verified. And having the data in one place makes it much easier to meet the New Zealand and international requirements around reporting, around information availability.
Really key points, sort of circling back to where Barbara started, is around that flexibility. So the ability to have partners or tools that can adapt to changing needs as the focus shifts from risk and mitigation towards transition planning and adaptation. So making sure you've got the right skills and tools, people around the table to react appropriately, anticipate what's coming next.
Can you explain how and where BraveGen get their emission factors?
We load emission factors from different libraries. So either working with our team, we can load them, or if you've got someone like ThinkStep who've got access to specific emission factors, they can load them in.
If you're interested in watching the full webinar, you can find that on the thinkstep-anz website.